This is Don DeBartolo, a senior commodities broker and market strategist with Daniels Trading in Chicago. I'm also the trader behind the Trade Spotlight advisory service. Trade Spotlight is broken into three segments: Trade Spotlight Futures, Trade Spotlight Options, and Trade Spotlight Spreads. This is Beyond the Spotlight, a video that will spotlight two or three markets that may become trading opportunities for this week. This week beginning with Monday, September 28th, 2020. Please pause the video and read the disclosures to understand the risks involved with futures and commodity options trading. Jumping right in, the first chart I want to take a look at today is the December 2020 Lean Hogs. I have a lower trend line drawn off starting from the beginning of August. Market was rallying, taking out some recent highs. Then we got parabolic with some gaps on the chart. You can see we traded up to this high here, getting that for you. That is 67.10. That was made on September 14th. This matches a high going back here in the middle of February before the pandemic broke. We had a big sell-off in the hogs market. That high was 66.82 half on February 15th. Sorry, February 19th. So almost a double top formation, but it's not 12-month contract highs that are making up this double top. Market is sideways since making that high. So what I'm looking for is actually a pullback in this market, maybe down to this lower trend line to test it. You have a 20-day moving average angled up, a 50-day moving average angled up, the 200-day moving average is kind of flat. Perhaps the market falls back into this area. There's still some momentum to the downside in this market as well, and the trend is sort of waning and leveling off. So I'm looking for is a pullback into this level here for potential buying opportunity. Seasonally, you go long the hogs as we get into the fall and early winter. So looking for an opportunity for a pullback in this market to buy the hogs for a longer term position. If you're looking for a potential short opportunity, maybe a break below this low or one of these two lows here to ride it down to, that's the 60 price level. That's the December 2020 Lean Hogs, looking for a pullback this week to get long this market. But if you're looking for a short-term opportunity, you could go short this contract with a tight stop above these recent highs here. Second last chart I want to take a look at is the March 2021 sugar contract. Now there's also seasonal to go long sugar, but what you can see is market is pulling back. This is Monday's trading session. You have a big sell-off here in sugar. I think there's more to come. This 13 price level could act as a potential support level, though. There's a 20-day moving average at 13, a 50-day moving average at 13.08, and a 200-day moving average at 12.95. So a lot of traffic in here. I have a horizontal line drawn off. You can see there's some recent highs, recent lows. Next level down is about this 12.50 price level, and then you can go down to the 12 even price level. There's strong momentum building to the downside, and the trend is turning over. This is the MACD indicator. So again, looking for a pullback in this market to eventually get long. But just like with the hog chart, you could potentially go short if we break these lower moving averages and then trade it down to one of these two levels with the stop above today's session high. But again, I'm looking for a potential buying opportunity on pullbacks to either of these two levels. Yeah, so those are the two charts I wanted to look at for this week. We already are in short feeder cattle position. We've got some option positions on in copper, crude oil, and coffee. And there's a couple of future spreads on the horizon as well. So a lot going on, but only two charts I really wanted to examine here in this video today for potential opportunities. This is what the trade spotlight looks like. It's emailed to you directly. You get a write-up of the trade, entry order, so you know precisely where I'm looking to get in, long or short, any specifics like margin requirements, open interest, option expiration dates, the risk-reward parameters for each trade, which can be tweaked to tailor to your trading strategy, trading goals, and a chart that you can pop open and take a closer look at. If you're not following the Trade Spotlight advisory service, I encourage you to do so. You can get a 90-day free trial. Just go to the Daniels Trading webpage, click on advisories, and then technical analysis. You'll find Trade Spotlight. You can read a write-up, see recent posts, and then subscribe. This is a free service that I provide to clients of mine in the firm. If you have any questions on the two charts or the positions I'm in, you can reach me local, cell, toll free, or email at tradespotlight@danielstrading.com. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this video. Happy trading.